DC returns to the big screen, but this time it is their pets who will do the saving in DC League of Super Pets. On Netflix, Neil Patrick Harris stars in the comedy drama Uncoupled. Also new this week are Paper Girls and Surface debuting on Amazon Prime Video and Apple TV+. Here are some of the best movies and TV shows to watch this weekend. Click on the link below to see our full list. It is always the superheroes who are on the rescue, but who will save them if they are the ones in trouble? In the animated film DC League of Super Pets, the Super Pets come to the rescue after the Justice League are captured by Lulu and Lex Luthor, headed by Superman's Labrador, Krypto. DC League of Super Pets releases in UAE and Saudi Arabia cinemas on July 28th. Uncoupled is a comedy drama starring Neil Patrick Harris as Michael, who thought he had a perfect life until his partner of 17 years decided to end it all. Faced with an uncertain future, Michael must now confront the reality of being single again in his mid-40s, living in New York City. Uncoupled streams on Netflix July 29th. Paper Girls centers on 4 girls delivering morning papers. One morning after Halloween in 1988, they inadvertently get caught in a warring conflict between different time travelers that sends the girls on an adventure through time. Paper Girls streams on Amazon Prime Video July 29th. Surface is a psychological thriller that stars Gugu Mbatha-Raw as Sophie, a woman recently recovering from a suicide attempt, as she tries to piece together memories in her life leading up to the event. Surface streams on Apple TV+ July 29th. Go inside the inner dwellings of one of Hollywood's most prolific special effects houses. Lawrence Kasdan takes viewers on a journey behind the incredible production of Industrial Light and Magic, who have made some of the most groundbreaking special effects and animation in some of history's most recognizable films. Light and Magic streams on Disney+ on July 27th. We hope you enjoyed this week's roundup of what to watch from Tech Radar Middle East. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell to be notified of all our new videos.